Hello all. In this video I am going to demonstrate you a metal detector circuit. This circuit will be used to detect the presence of a metal. Okay. So as you can see in the circuit there are two coils. Okay. The coupling media between the two coils is air. Okay. So when there is air as a coupling media, the voltage is at this point. The voltage at this point will be some voltage, say X volts, depending on the circuit design. Okay. So now when there is a metal presence, this voltage will change. So a metal detector will work on this principle, that with which metal how much will be the voltage. Okay. So now I am going to show you the circuit. So this is the oscillator part of the circuit. As you can see, I am using 555 IC as an oscillator, and I am feeding the output to the MOSFET. Okay. You must connect the gate of the MOSFET with the ground with a 10K resistance, because this is a high frequency circuit, and with each cycle the capacitance of the MOSFET, the gate capacitance, has to be discharged, else the MOSFET will not work, it will burn. There is a possibility to burn. Okay. So the drain of the MOSFET is connected to this coil, the transformer coil number 1, and with a 12 volt DC power rail, and the another coil is connected. This is the secondary coil of the transformer. So both the coils are connected coupled with air presently. So now I will show you the circuit. So this is the oscillator part of the circuit. This part is the oscillator. As you can see, this is the oscillator part of the circuit. Okay. And this is the power part. This is the MOSFET. Okay. And the two coils, as you can see, they are one on the top currently. They are, as you can see here, I am removing. Okay. So these two coils are kept one on the top of the another. And you can see here on the secondary coil, I am getting a voltage of 11.48 volts DC. Okay. I am getting 11.4849 volts DC. So the coupling is presently giving me, okay. So if I make the coupling better, it is 12.62 volts DC. Okay. So I will now currently this is the condition. Okay. The two coils are coupled with air. Okay. Giving a secondary voltage 11.62. Now I am going to keep a perspex sheet on the top. Okay. So that there is no metal contact directly. I can keep my plate also directly, because my wires are already insulated. So I am keeping the metal plate. As you can see here, the voltage has dropped to 7.93 volts DC because of the presence of this metal. Currently, the metal is the two coils are acting as a transformer, and there, instead of air, they are using this metal plate as a coupling media. Okay. So when the coupling is like this, you can see the voltage is dropping to 8 volts DC. So this is the presence of a metal. This is how the metal detector is working. Okay. So when we remove this plate, the voltage shoots up again. So again, when we show the metal presence, the voltage drops down. So this is how a basic metal detector circuit works. Thanks a lot. Please like, share and subscribe. Please perform this experiment. Thank you very much. Thanks. And please like, share and subscribe.